guys, welcome back to my channel. I have an extreme cleaning video for y'all. If you follow me on Instagram, then you know that my husband took a 10-day vacation. And with that, you know that the house can get even more messy since we all just enjoy spending time with him. So, see, I have a pretty set idea of what cleaning needs to be done every day. And so when the routine gets off, then of course the cleaning kind of backs up. Not that this is bad, but it's just what it is. So I used the new year and caught up on almost everything. So if you're in that same boat and just need a little catch up, then get up and clean with me as you enjoy some of my favorite tunes.
And I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. What's it like to hold his hand when he tells you that you're all he wants? And it's midnight, oh, I'm thinking about him.
If you're new, be a subscriber and click that red subscribe button below and that bell notification so you don't miss another video. I do a lot of cleaning videos, but I'm also going to start doing some DIY videos and more cleaning routine videos and more stay-at-home mommy routine videos with my kids. So if you're interested in those types of videos, just stick around and make sure you're a subscriber. Thanks for watching this one. Here I'm using my Method granite cleaner to clean my granite countertops. This kitchen is about 10 months old, so I'm just trying to keep the countertops as healthy as I possibly can. So I'm using this granite cleaner that supposedly is very healthy for the countertop, and it's supposed to keep everything clean and sanitized. So I like it a lot.
I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish he felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. He doesn't know my name.
Where you move make me blind. You will always be there. There's no doubt in my mind. You will always be there. Heading out to see ya and leave the rest behind. Oh, oh, 'cause you will always be there. Oh, oh, 'cause you will always be the one to hold me. You will always be the one who knows me. You will always be, come on, let me closer to your heart. I'm waiting here for you. Yeah, I know, you will always be the. Yeah, I know, you will always be the. Yeah, I know, you will always be, come on.
So here I'm cleaning my glass top stove, and I'm using that Lysol cleaner because it's very good for sanitizing the top of that stove. You're also going to see me clean the dishwasher and the front of the oven with the Method granite cleaner. I find that it actually does well on stainless steel appliances, so if you haven't tried that and you have a granite cleaner like the one I'm using, give that a try and see if that kind of helps you on your cleaning today.
You will always be the one who knows me. You will always be, come on, let me closer to your heart. I'm waiting here for you. Yeah, I know, you will always be the. Yeah, I know, you will always be the. Yeah, I know, you will always be, come on, let me closer to your heart. I'm waiting I'll do it all.
So I have a funny story as to why I am vacuuming these boxes that go on my console table. They hold my 3-year-old shoes, and then they hold some of mine and my husband's shoes that we like to kind of wear around the house. So anyway, my 3-year-old decided, hey mom, since you're cleaning, why don't you vacuum these boxes, because they're just so quote-unquote dirty. So as I'm cleaning, she grabbed everything and threw them out of these boxes and basically told me to vacuum. So now you see her putting everything back, and she wants to wear these reindeer ears as she puts things away. How cute is that? I mean, I'm not gonna knock the help, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I know, you will always be the.
Lightning strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and
I'm sure many of you have already started to undecorate your Christmas decor. I'm trying to do it slowly this time because on January 6th we're going to have our last Christmas gathering, and January 6th also is when Armenia celebrates Christmas, and we have Armenian heritage in our family, so we're basically going to celebrate Christmas for basically 2 weeks. So yeah, here I am taking the ornaments off and kind of putting everything away, and actually I got rid of some ornaments that weren't really sentimental, so it kind of was a declutter moment as well, so I enjoyed doing that too. So anyway, here I am just undecorating.
When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me.
Alright guys, so I'm moving on to basically all the toilets in the home. You know, just having company over and all that kind of thing. You just want to freshen up the toilets again. So here I am using disinfectant wipes on top of the toilet and the toilet seat, and what you saw me pour into the toilet bowl was the Method toilet cleaner. I think it was a mint scent. So that works really great. I actually have that in my half bath, which is downstairs, and the other bathrooms I actually ran out of the toilet cleaner that I get from the Dollar Tree, but I did use some other product in those toilets since those weren't really used as public toilets. So anyway, I'm just gonna basically clean all the toilets in the home and kind of freshen them up.
While you're alone. When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better, better off. When I look at what I've done, I'm really hard. When I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better.
Before I clean my children's toilet, I'm actually going to clean their bathtub using the Dollar Tree Super Clean Purple Spray. This really works well, especially on the mats that I have to use just to prevent some slipping from my children. It works really great. So this bathroom doesn't get too bad. So anyway, so this cleaner does work really good around like the edges that get lots of damp places. But this mat is what was really dirty. So you see me scrubbing a long time on this thing. But hey, you gotta keep those kids clean and healthy.
When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better off. When I look at what I've done, now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better off, and baby, you don't belong. When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better off. When I look at what I've done, now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better off, and baby, you don't belong.
I see everything around me changing again and again. Can't stay in this dead relation.
In my children's bathroom, there's this large mirror, and it doesn't get too dirty because they're, very young kids. But this window cleaner does work very well, and it was only $1 at the Dollar Tree. It's basically a vinegar and water mixture. So if you're just looking for a cheap cleaner that can just do the job, then use that. And then next, I'm going to use my Method bathroom cleaner on the countertops and around the knobs and faucet. And I'm basically giving this countertop a very deep scrub. Since I haven't really scrubbed it in a long time, I've just wiped it down. So this scrubbing is going to basically be a deep clean of this bathroom.
We're out of time, again and again. Thought we'd make it, but we lost in the end. Lost in the end. Out of time again. Yeah, we lost in the end.
On to sorting all the new Christmas and birthday toys. We got a lot of toys and a lot of gifts, which I'm grateful for, but because of her age, there's lots of different pieces to all these toys. So I'm sorting them out, and I haven't figured out how to organize them or how to help her clean up some of her toys as she's, heading to bed. But right now, it's just me doing it. It's not too bad. I have actually had to throw some away just because they've broken. But this is just what every mom does. I'm pretty sure you're in the same boat as I am.
Only losing time. Yeah, we left here without love. We're out of time, and time don't wait. We're in heaven.
It's difficult to see, but because of the Christmas decorations being taken down, I actually accumulated lots of glitter on all the sofas and snow particles, those kinds of things. So here I am just using my Dyson cleaning up the couches and the chairs so that they're nice and clean. And just like that, my cleaning is done. If you haven't already, click the red subscribe button below, and if you like extreme cleaning videos like these, give it a thumbs up, and I'll be sure to make more for you. Thanks for watching. Bye.
I wanna get to your clothes, gotta get it right now. I wanna push all the limits with you right now. So what you feel?